guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can merge split clips on CapCut PC. So for instance, you have a video here and you've split it throughout your videos like this. You've basically just split your video and you've saved your file, you've closed it, and you can't press undo, and you want to merge it back together. It is quite simple to do. You're just going to select everything or just the clips that you want to basically merge. For instance, like these two, you're going to right click on your mouse and you're going to select create compound clip, or you're going to either press Alt G on your keyboard to do so. And that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!